Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Google Forms. So if you also want to use Google Forms, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Using the Google Forms is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in docs.google.com/forms. Simply press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Google Forms. From here you'll be able to create the new form. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you can see over here you'll be able to create a new form. Also, if you've already created the form, you'll be able to see the recent forms over here. You'll also be able to find the templates over here. You can simply choose the template of your choice, or you can also create a blank form. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to create a blank form. So simply click on the option blank form. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here you'll be able to create the form. You can also enter the title over here. Simply click on the field on title form. After that, you can see over here you'll be able to enter the title. Also, you'll be able to access the options like bold, italic, underline, link, etc. So you can click on the option of your choice. After that, you can also enter the form description over here. Now after that, you can add the questions on your form. Simply click on the field of untitled questions. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be able to add the question. After that, you'll be able to add the options over here. You can choose how you want to add the options. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for multiple choice. Simply click on that option. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, etc. So you can simply click on the option of your choice. If you click on the option short answer, people will be able to shortly answer your question. If you click on the option paragraph, people will be able to enter the paragraph in your question. If you click on the option multiple choice, people will be choose from the options. If you click on the option check boxes, people will be able to check on multiple boxes. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option multiple choice. Now after that, simply add the option over here. In order to add the option, what you have to do is click on the field of option 1. Now after that, simply add your option 1 over here. After that, what you have to do is add the other options. So simply click on the option add option. After that, what you have to do is add the option. Likewise, you can keep on adding the option. You can see over here like this, you'll be able to create the question. So simply create the questions according to your choice. If this question is required to be answered, simply toggle this button required that you can see right over here on your screen. If you want to add more questions, simply click on the plus icon that you can see right over here on your screen. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add more questions. Also, you'll be able to upload the photos. So if you want to add the inline image, simply click on this icon that you can see right over here. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the inline image over here. You can either upload it or you can also upload it from webcam, URL, photos, Google Drive, Google Images, etc. So you can upload the image of your choice. Also, you'll be able to find several icons for import questions, add title and descriptions, add image, add video, add section, etc. So explore these options according to your choice. Now after you're done making the Google form, you can also click on the option settings that you can see right over here. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. You'll be able to find the options for make this a quiz, responses, presentation, etc. Simply scroll down. Also, you'll be able to find the options for defaults. So explore the settings options according to your choice. If you want to share this Google form, simply click on the share icon that you can see right over on your screen. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to share this Google form. If you want to preview the Google form, simply click on this eye icon that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to preview the Google form. So simply go back to the Google form tab. Now from here, if you want to publish the Google form, simply click on the publish option that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to publish it. You can select the responders if you want. Right now, anyone with the link will be able to view this Google form. If you want to manage this, simply click on the option manage. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to manage the access in the Google form. You can add the people, groups, and calendar events. Also, you can edit the editor view and responder view if you want. After you're done, simply click on the done option. Now simply click on the publish option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here the Google form has been published. You can also check the responses by simply click on the responses option that you can see right over here. You can also link this Google form to Google Sheets. For that, simply click on the option link to Sheets. After that, you'll be able to manage the responses in Google Sheets. So like this, you'll be able to use the Google form. So that is how you use Google Forms. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.